In today's video, I have a question. How do you define a rich person? Because the people who lives here, they are not rich, but they are wealthy. I've seen so many videos concerning where the rich people hide. And I have this video to say, this is not where the rich people hide, but this is where the wealthy people are. Simple life, simple buildings, but they are wealthy. The owner of Kafumo, Likes Mall, and some other big business here in Ndola Zambia, they live in this place. Welcome to the masterpiece, Timothy Hara. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching me from. Right now, I'm shooting this video from a residential area called Kanini. So, I'm in Kanini right now. You can see there is this Hindu wall. Yes, this is Hindu wall in Kanini. You can see that is the one there. So, and opposite this there is Kanini Secondary School, and in this road we are going to see the other side of life. People lives here, mostly here in Kanini. They are Indians. This is a different residential area here in Zambia. You know, Kanini is famous for Kanini Secondary School, and it's famous because of the houses which are here. But as I said earlier on to say, the only people who lives here, many 90% of them, they are Indians, and those people from, I don't know what to say, people from India, from Europe. These are the people who are living here, and the same people are the ones who are having businesses here in Ndola Town. It is one of the beautiful residential area, and if you want to come here and you want to rent the same houses, then which means that you need to compete with these guys. Why am I saying competing with these guys? It's because of life here. The owners of the houses, they are going to be expensive because the way those people are being charged, that's the way they are going to charge you. That's the problem. Me walking around or cycling around this place, I haven't seen any car for a black person. The only people that I've seen here are Indians and people from Bangladesh. These are the only people that I've been seeing here. Quite alright, it is a good place, and I don't know why people they've moved on with this area. Blacks are no longer staying here. Only people like if you're a black person living here, then you are a maid or you are a garden boy. Those are the only people that I'm seeing here, as in they're cleaning, they're doing whatsoever. But the people that I'm seeing like they're playing around, they're playing football, are Indians. And the other thing is that if you want to come here, then you should be paying somewhere around $500, also $700, $1,000, depends on the house that you want to live in. And this is a place where the famous Likes Mall, the owner, lives in. A lot of people were living here, they were blacks. But right now, right here, the people that I can see right now driving their cars, driving nice vehicles, they are Indians. Most of them, they are Indians. Even their premises, they are for Indians. I don't know, maybe it's because of that church in the wall, or maybe it's because this place suits them or what. So I don't know anything, but all I can say is that this place belongs to these people, the Indians. Maybe are the people who can afford renting here, or I don't know. So some houses here, they are owned by Indians. They are the owners, and some they're just renting those houses. The owners are blacks. A lot of Indians in this place, they are Zambians. They are Zambians because some of them, they are born in Zambia, they've grown up in Zambia, and they've married in Zambia. They have businesses in Zambia. Like, let me say, the example that I can give is the person that I know here, it's Likes, and this guy, Zimat. These guys, they are born in Zambia. So I cannot say they are Indians. Yes, just because of the origin of their families, I can say they are from India, but they are Zambians. So I cannot say they're not Zambians. They are Zambians. But the thing that I'm trying to say is like people who are living in this area are those kinds of people. So we need to be seeing some black people like Zambians also living in these kinds of area. Why are we feeling like, okay, why are we feeling living with these guys? They are also Zambians. They are also Zambians. I cannot say this is the land where the rich hides here in Ndola. No, not this area. Why am I saying not this area? Because there is a beautiful land that we are going to explore one day, and I'm going to show you to say this is where the rich hides, but not in this area. Yes, these guys, they've got money. The Indians, they've got money. They've got so much wealth, but the area is not defined for them, because this area looks so common. Any person can live here and any person can rent here. You can see, maybe sometimes you might look like, okay, this area is so beautiful, this area is this, but go inside. That's why I'm saying this is not a place for the rich people. be honest, guys, this is one of a good place. I'm telling you, I cannot lie. This is one of a good place here in Ndola, Zambia. Kanini area or Kanini residential area. This is a place like I would love to be. This is a place on my left, I can see a beautiful, beautiful house. This is so amazing. This is a beautiful house. Wow. Wow. Just from the whole fence itself. What of the inside? This is so beautiful. Have you seen that name? Sai Krupa. Sai Krupa. This place is located behind Ndola Wanderers Club, or after golf club. There is a first corner that you're going to turn to your left, or there is a building which they call Dolphin Court. So from there you turn and then you're going to find this place. Starting from there, that's where the name starts from, like Kanini. So all this area, it's one of the huge area here in Kanini, a very big one. So that's where this place is located, near Ndola Wanderers Club. So we can finally say that this is the rich Indian residential area, which is Kanini. So this is for the Indian who are rich, because they own a lot of businesses in Ndola Town, and a lot of them that I've seen here, I've known them. Some of them, they've greeted me like, hi, what are you doing here? So this is a rich place for the Indians. One thing about this place is that, quite alright, there are Indians who are living here. These guys, they are super rich. You've seen Kafubumo, Zimatmo, Likesmo, all these guys, they live in this place. But they live a simple life, such that nobody would know to say these guys, they are super rich. They are riches. They've put their riches into assets. So this is one of the beautiful things. So guys, this comes to the end of my video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please kindly subscribe, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos, and I will see you in my next video.